From advanced manufacturing applications to cloud-connected machines, equipment risks are changing. Yet breakdowns remain inevitable. Share these 3 trends to help your clients recognize the importance of equipment breakdown coverage. First, aging infrastructure and new technology can increase the potential for equipment downtime. With electrical systems accounting for up to 20% of a building's value and power grids strained by aging equipment and new technology, the risk of electrical system breakdowns caused by power interruptions is increasing. Help clients manage increased risk with Travelers equipment breakdown coverage, streamlined with fewer endorsements needed to reach the right level of protection. Second, high-tech equipment failure can lead to higher exposures. Long lead times for costly repairs can jeopardize a tight supply chain, resulting in increased expenses and missed deadlines. Travelers stays ahead of today's complex technology, offering eligible customers access to sensors that can monitor pressure, temperature, detect water leakage, and more. Third, prevention is key. Advanced technology calls for our specially trained risk management engineers who can help your clients with emerging and traditional prevention methods, including state-certified boiler inspections, equipment maintenance training, and contingency planning. Travelers Boiler and Machinery, helping your clients stay focused on the future. For more information, contact your Travelers representative or visit travelers.com today.